In this super quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to upcycle the seam of an old pair of jeans into a new lanyard that you can use as a keychain. So start by just roughly cutting out the double-stitched seam of a pair of jeans. Usually this will be the inseam of the pants, but you want to make sure it's one of the seams that has the 2 lines of stitching. After cutting it out, you want to carefully trim the fabric around the seam as close to the stitches as you can. You can use the folded fabric of the seam as a guide. And then you'll want to cut the lanyard to whatever length you want. Next, you want to add a hook clasp or whatever type of keyring you want. Then you want to sew the 2 ends of the seam into a loop and stack the ends of the seam to sew them together. After the lanyard is in a loop, center the hook on the other end and sew it in place. And there you have it. You have finished your super simple denim lanyard.